10. Foods to avoid to lose. Belly fat. Faster. Losing belly fat requires a combination of a healthy diet, regular exercise, and mindful eating habits. To speed up the process, it's crucial to avoid certain foods that contribute to weight gain and bloating. 1. Sugary drinks. Beverages like sodas, energy drinks, and sweetened teas are high in liquid calories that don't satiate hunger, leading to overeating. 2. Refined carbs. White bread, pasta, and pastries are stripped of nutrients and fiber, causing rapid blood sugar spikes and fat storage. 3. Trans fats found in margarine, fried foods, and baked goods. Trans fats increase abdominal fat and inflammation. 4. Processed meats. Sausages, bacon, and deli meats are high in unhealthy fats and sodium, which can lead to bloating and weight gain. 5. Alcohol, excessive alcohol consumption, especially beer and cocktails, adds empty calories and encourages fat accumulation in the abdominal area. 6. Fried foods. Deep-fried snacks are calorie-dense and lack nutritional value, making it harder to lose belly fat. 7. High-calorie desserts. Cakes, cookies, and ice cream are loaded with sugar and fats, leading to calorie overload and weight gain. 8. Salty snacks. Chips, pretzels, and salted nuts promote water retention, making your stomach look bloated. 9. Fast food burgers, fries, and pizzas are high in calories, unhealthy fats, and refined carbs, all of which contribute to belly fat. 10. Sugary cereals. Many breakfast cereals are deceptively high in sugar and low in fiber, leading to weight gain over time. Replacing these with whole, nutrient-dense foods like vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains can help accelerate belly fat loss.